Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to see archive message in FB Lite. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So here you can open your um, FB Lite account, and then you can just click on the three bars menu on the upper right corner and go to your settings. When you go to your settings, what you need to find here is go to activity log, that's under your information. And then here you will be able to see the different activities that you have done on Facebook. So what you can do is just on the top part of this page, you can see that there's archive and trash. Just click on archive, and from there you will be able to see the archives in your FB account. So you can see the different posts that you have that are being archived. But if you really do want to see the archive messages from your messenger account, it currently is not an option with the FB Lite, but you can go to your messenger application and just click on your profile that's on the upper left corner, and there you will be able to see an archive option, and there you will be able to view all the archive messages you have. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.